If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on Cash App, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can lead to payment declines. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Verify your payment method. Make sure that the payment method linked to your Cash App account is valid and has sufficient funds. Check your bank account or card details to confirm they are correct and up to date. Step 3. Update the Cash App. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Cash App. Go to your device's App Store, search for Cash App, and update it if necessary. An outdated app can lead to functionality issues, including payment declines. Step 4. Check for Cash App outages. Visit the Cash App support page or social media channels to check if there are any reported outages or issues with the service. If there is a widespread problem, you may need to wait until it is resolved. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If none of the previous steps work, reach out to Cash App support for assistance. You can do this through the app or their website. Provide them with details about the issue for better support. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the repeated payment declines on Cash App. If the problem persists, continuous communication with support will be essential for a solution.